forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, jump. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all good. So guys, we are in Kingston and we are going to be going into Active Home Centre. One of the most popular requests from you guys is that we do furniture vlogs. Always get requests, can you do a furniture vlog, can you do furniture vlog? So we're doing that for you guys today. We're not actually looking for anything particular, but I do love coming into Active. And I feel like Active, out of all the furniture stores in Jamaica, is like one of the most modern ones. The most modern one, probably one of the most popular as well. So we're gonna go in, have a look around, see what they've got, do a bit of window shopping. What you say, Outlaw?
Another prize. That's it.
That's all?
That is it.
That is it. Yeah, we're gonna have a little walk around, show you guys what's there. So, you know, I know a lot of you overseas are interested in how much furniture costs, what's available. Like I said, Active is one of the most popular stores out here. So we're gonna have a little walk around, show you guys what's there. Yeah, hope you like what you see.
That is it.
You know when you go in the store, guys, and you want to buy everything? That's me. I'm going to see everything. Can't buy nothing, you know, but I'm going to want everything. And I'm going to say to him, oh, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice.
She go down with it. She go down with it. She go like that.
Anyway, guys, yeah, soon come.
That is it.
Alright, guys, so porcelain tiles. This kind of look like, you know, was it laminate or the vinyl laminate that we have in the UK? But it's tiles. Yeah, different tiles. Ceramic tiles. 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 We've got these kind of tiles over here. So all this is tile section. So is this for one? This for one tile? For one? Oh. Price for one, people. The price for one of these. What did you say?
You know how much less I go on to do what you want to do?
So this is tiles. Okay, so like this would be for one of these. Well, that's the sale price. Clearance. People, furnishing your house and putting the fixtures and fittings is expensive, right? My gosh. A lot of options though, I must say. A lot of options. Doors, face basins and sinks, door knobs and locks. Yeah, safety. Look at this. One sink. Yeah, look at this bathroom set. It's a nice one as well. So you can put the thing. I'm just trying to show you guys what these kind of things go for. Nearly 100,000 for that sinking cabinet set. Stove, $269. Cash price. It's a big fridge, isn't it? Can you open it? It's a big fridge, look. $4.29. Alright, so you got more. This is different, isn't it? This. Small. Double sink. It's quite small, but it's a nice style. This is what I mean, guys, when I said I have like modern stuff in here. Modern fixtures and fittings. The lights. Nice touch, isn't it? Yeah. Modern touch. You like this? Do you think the sink's small for his and hers? It's small.
The his and hers?
Yeah, like, yeah, double thing.
You don't want to have
Well, I think you need space for that, don't you? You need the space for that. Yeah. You going up?
It's running back.
Let me do it. Yeah. It's a nice one as well. There's people, for those of you who are building or changing bits in your house, just come and get all your faucets. Is it faucets? Faucets and all these things. Yeah. I just like to give you guys an idea of how much these things are going for. These are like popular, aren't they? These spray ones. 17,900. And you got the shower heads. Nice big square ones. 8, 9, 12 grand. 20 grand for that big one. Everything adds up, you know. Oh my gosh. So you build your house now, babe. You build your house now, and you've got to put all of these things in. I know some people have been for it already. It's expensive, isn't it? But still cheaper than buying a house already built, you think?
Only for time.
Like a new house in the
Yeah.
UK.
So when you buy a house and you get that in the house, you pay for that alone.
Yeah.
4 times or 5 times.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. That alone you pay for 4 or 5 times. In the package.
yeah, no building's not for everybody still, but it is cheaper to build if you can. Especially if you have the land already, I'd say. Yeah. Alright, let's go around. Showers. Shower and a bath, that one is.
Yeah. God, that's short of money. We like nice things, so we'll spend money on buying nice things.
That's it. Yeah,
It's all about short of money.
Yeah. But I guess for some people they'll be contemplating, is it better to
So this 59,000 for this in alone, you know.
go for the screen?
For this alone, the door.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Is this just for the is this for the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I tell you something?
Okay, so that's right. So this 59,000 just for the door alone, people.
Yeah, the
Not
door alone.
none of these tiles.
No, I
just
take
the door.
one down to the bathroom for that.
Wow.
You know where?
So yeah, I guess it's things like this people, I guess, in the diaspora have to think about. Do you ship your stuff over or do you buy the things here, right? Yeah. It's like a jacuzzi. Oh, look. Oh, it opens here. Okay, and you sit in it. Jacuzzi. I guess for people who maybe can't really step down in the bath. Yeah, jacuzzi baths. So people really, seriously. These are like jacuzzi baths, they're nice. I think people kind of use these now, these like standalone tubs. Yeah, these are kind of in. Yeah, yeah, these are kind of the in things. These standalone kind of tubs. But yeah, people still like the jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. This is nice.
Always relaxing.
Display for sale, 200.
But rather the jacuzzi, though, guys. You can want a jacuzzi.
What would you say?
I rather the jacuzzi. because the two of us, both of us can hold in the jacuzzi.
Yeah.
This is for you alone or me alone.
Yeah.
We're going to slip and slide and maybe drop your backside.
You don't need that. Double shower. These are double showers I like. The double ones.
Alright. Where I put in.
Oh yeah. True. Rather than that cheap nonsense. Cheap plastic stuff. But anyway, people. Yeah. Alright, we're going to go upstairs and look at the furniture. Yeah. Something like this. Not too bad. Oh, it's a coffee table. It's a coffee table. You could use that TV stand, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Look, it's not too bad. Really? Is that with GCT? Plus GCT. So GCT on top of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's yeah. Okay, coffee table. This is quite nice. Yeah. It's quite nice. It's small, but yeah. Alright, lights. Tables. And different style of table and chairs. Let me see how much they are. Let's have a look, people. So, what's this for? Just this is with the table alone, right?
Yeah.
89. It's not too bad compared to some I've seen. This is the style of it. How much are the chairs? Nearly 30,000 each. Remember, this doesn't include tax because I tax into this. There's the chairs. Oh, counter table, yeah. So something like this we're looking, isn't it? Counter table. How much is it?
54 for that.
How much is it? 54. Okay, 54,900. But how much are the chairs? Two different style of chairs. Oh, here, look, here. So this is the chair. Yeah. 900 for one. Plus tax. And then they got this style as well. But this style goes a bit better, right? Because it's... This style goes a bit better because it matches it more. Yeah. Alright, we've got clearance over here. 15% off, 20% off. Dining room chairs. 36,900 now, 27,927. I'll give you guys an idea of how much things are.
Really nice
Yeah, it is. This dining chair is a nice one.
though.
So let's see how much it is. Okay, 36,900. Okay, yeah. So yeah. Nice and steady looking. Oh, the solar. Solar lights. Yes, guys. Definitely need to invest in solar if you can. Get JPS off your back.
Yeah.
Get JPS off your back. Yeah.
Turn up in our nip.
The small ones here. The outdoor lights, solar one. Something like this we need, isn't it? A few of these. Some nice light fixtures.
Nice tree.
Yeah, they're fake. Yeah. Downstairs. See everything down there. I like these chairs. They're neat for our space. You'll have to sit on it. Huh?
More expensive than I see around there.
Yeah, what? 20? Yeah? What, the big sturdy one? Alright. Look at the, oh my gosh, look. This is made out of MDF, you know. MDF people, and look, 89,000. Look, 89,000 for this.
That.
Yeah.
So what's that about?
It's made out of that. Oh, it is wood. It's wood.
What is it?
I mean, it's nice somewhere, but 89,000.
Not mine.
I don't.
Not mine either.
Yeah. You hear Outlaw people. Outlaw said not his 89,000. Look at some of the couches. This couch. This 129. Alright, let's have a look at some of the couches. And the bed sets. And you've got some nice bits. They always have nice stuff in here, always. 15 for that small bedside table, 50 for 900 plus tax for the 6 drawer.
59 plus that.
49 plus tax. Yeah.
Blessing.
Yeah. Look at the couches. These are nice couches. Yeah. So this is what, a 3-seater?
Yeah.
89,000 plus tax. So guys, you can work it, if you're in the diaspora, you can work out in dollars or in pounds. So 89 for that one. Single seater, 49. And the 2-seater, this grey 2-seater is 69. So guys, you do the math. Do you think it's worth it? Guys, do the math. This 3-piece. Do you think it's worth it? 49, 89, 69. If you bought the set. You got the L shape, what they call them, corner. Oh, it's a sofa bed. It's a sofa bed. This will good. This will do good in our space, isn't it? Yeah, I quite like this one. Is there a price? No price on this one.
No price on it?
Don't see any. Stones. What do you like? What do you see that you like? Okay. Testing it out. Feel good?
Good.
Okay. And this one's 29.
Beautiful.
Okay. Alright, let's keep going.
This is your chair?
Oh yeah, it's the same one.
No, you don't have a chair.
Oh no, yeah, the swivel. Yeah, so you got the bedroom sets. Quite a nice bedroom set, isn't it?
Okay, done.
Yeah.
So it's fragile, no?
Fragile, do you think?
Everything has different price.
Outlaw thinks these are all fragile.
We can run in and chop out from over there.
Yeah.
Another one there. So
1999. I think that's just for the frame, right?
For the top alone. The back.
Oh really?
That's up the head.
Oh right. Okay. Yeah. Did you hear that? Outlaw says if you want to sleep well, you have to pay well.
Nice. Pretty.
Yeah. They are nice. Yeah, this is nice.
Nice bed set down.
Yeah.
Right, Joe.
It's a bit small though. This isn't a king. The whole set is nice actually. The whole set is nice. Yeah, the whole set is a nice set.
You want a nice set right all around.
So this is look at this. 169 for this. The mirror. 20 for the mirror. 19. For the tall one. There's a lot out here, but everything is pricey. Furniture in Jamaica is generally very pricey. That's what Everything is
Go to our house.
Yeah.
Start from the line.
Yeah.
Everything
it's pricey. This is nice.
From the line to right.
So they do very, very nice stuff, but make sure you come with your money, people. That's why I was saying, I think when you're looking at moving out here or, you know, furnishing your place, you've got to think about, is it better for you to ship the stuff you have from home? Is it better for you to buy the things back home and then ship them over? Or does it work out? Because also you've got to think about the cost of shipping. Cost of shipping the stuff.
You got like metal.
But to clear the stuff, you mean?
Yeah, if you buy the body and clear it and carry it. You put the same as buy it either.
But then sometimes you don't always find the things you want out here. You know, if you want certain things. But guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments. Yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the furniture right here? What do you think about the prices that you've seen? I know this is a quick vlog, but what do you think about the prices that you've seen out here? And what would you do? Would you prefer to ship the things over, or would you prefer to buy them here, based on what you've seen in the prices? Leave your thoughts in the comments, guys. This is different, isn't it? I think you pay for all this type of, all this. That's what you pay for, isn't it? There's some boxes you can see downstairs.